Earthquake for classes 7 and 8. Synopsis. What is earthquake? Causes of earthquake, effects of earthquake, distribution of earthquake, summary. What is earthquake? A sudden movement of a portion of the earth crust which produces a shaking or trembling is known as earthquake. Focus. The point where these vibrations originate is called the focus of the earthquake. Epicenter. The point of the earth's surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter of the earthquake. Seismic waves. From the focus, the earthquake vibrations travel in different directions in the form of seismic waves. Seismograph. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. A Richter scale. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. The numbers on this scale range from 0 to 9. Earthquake waves. There are three types of earthquake waves: P waves or longitudinal waves, S waves or transverse waves, L waves or surface waves. Causes of earthquake. The chief cause of earthquake is the sudden slipping of the portion of the earth crust along fractures or faults. The movement of the molten rocks underneath the surface produce strains which break the rocks apart. The sudden shifting of landmass causes upheavals in the crust of the earth, sending vibrations or waves into the surrounding portions of the earth. Sometimes the surface of the earth itself cracks. Effects of earthquake. Earthquakes may cause changes in the earth's surface. Vibrations often set landslides in mountainous regions. A greater danger in an earthquake is the falling of buildings. Most of the houses which collapsed were made of mud and bricks and proved to be death traps. Underground water system is naturally disturbed by such movements. Fire is another great danger. Tsunami, a Japanese term, is the name given to the huge waves caused in the sea by an earthquake. Tsunamis are quite common along the coast of Japan and other regions in the Pacific Ocean. Distribution of earthquake. The world's distribution of earthquakes coincide very closely with that of volcanoes. Regions of greatest seismicity are circum-Pacific areas, with the epicenters and the most frequent occurrences along the Pacific Ring of Fire. In India, the Himalayan region and the Ganga Brahmaputra Valley are prone to earthquakes. A number of earthquakes have been experienced in this region. Some of them were very severe and caused extensive damage. Example, the earthquake of Uttarkashi in 1991 and Chamoli in 1999. The Deccan Plateau, which was supposed to be comparatively free from the dangers of the earthquakes, has experienced two severe earthquakes in the past: the Koina earthquake in 1967 and the Latur earthquake in 1993. Summary: a sudden movement of a portion of the earth crust which produces a shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. There are three types of earthquake wave: P waves, S waves, and L waves. The chief cause of earthquake is the sudden slipping of the portion of the earth crust along fractures or faults. Earthquake may cause changes in the earth's surface. Tsunamis are the huge waves caused in the sea by an earthquake. The world's distribution of earthquakes coincide very closely with that of volcanoes.